Welcome back to acbaw.com. Anyone can build a website. I'm Oliver Kenyon. In the last lesson, I showed you how you can customize the look and theme of your WordPress website. Don't worry if you missed it, head on back over to acbaw.com now where you can view all our previous lessons. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress plugins. These are pieces of code created for the purpose of expanding the functionalities of your WordPress website. So let's go ahead and have a look at how we install them. Once again, let's open up our browser. I'm already on the acbawexample.com website. So let's go ahead and access the admin user panel. If you missed the previous lessons, I gave you a guided tour of the WordPress admin panel. But don't worry if you missed it, head on back to acbaw.com at any time to view the previous lessons. In this lesson, we want to have a look at the side menu that says Plugins. Let's go ahead and click Add New. Again, similar to the Themes menu, however the Plugin menu doesn't give us the criteria drop-down to search for a plugin. Although, if we know a name of a plugin, we can simply go to the search bar on the left, enter the name and click Search Plugins. But for now, I want to show you how to install just a random plugin. So let's click the Popular tab. This brings up a nice display of the current most popular WordPress plugins. You can see a user rating on the right hand side and then a name and details on the left. If we scroll down to find the social media widget plugin, which I installed on most of my websites, and click Details, it's going to pull up all the details and descriptions about the plugin. It's going to show us exactly what the plugin does. It's also going to tell us how many people have downloaded the plugin and what rating they gave it. Another important step is to click the Installation tab. Read over this carefully as it's going to tell us what to do after we've installed the plugin to change the settings. For example, here it tells us go to Appearance and then click Widgets. Another nice little tip is to hit the Screenshot tab. This is going to show us images of how our plugin appears on the front and back end of our site. For example, it adds these nice little social bookmarking icons to our website. Once we're happy, let's go ahead and click the big red Install Now button. The WordPress installer is going to then tell us it's downloaded the package, unpackaged it, and it's installing the plugin. It's then once again going to tell us it's successfully installed the plugin of our choice. To activate the plugin, simply click Activate Plugin. We'll get the successful message from WordPress. Now we need to follow the installation text that simply told us to go to Appearance and then Widgets. We can now see that our social media widget plugin is in our widget menu. If we drag it and drop it to the main slider on the right, it will give us the options to customize it. Like I said previously, I've used this plugin on a lot of my sites, and you can easily change a few settings to adjust the appearance of the plugin on the front end of your website. For example, we can choose a new icon pack, or select a different type of animation. Once these are finalized, let's scroll down and enter in a few of our social bookmarking URLs. For example, our Facebook link. Then, our Twitter link. I also want to add our YouTube link, where some of you may even be viewing this lesson. It's www.youtube.com/acbawtube. I'm then going to scroll up and remove the email option, and then scroll back down and click the Save button. Once saved, I can safely scroll back up, minimize the options, and then head on over to our home page. If I click refresh, I should be able to see our brand new plugin and widget installed on our sidebar. And that's how we install a basic WordPress plugin on our website. Like I said before, there's literally thousands of different plugins that do amazing little things for your sites. So when you get some spare time, take a look through the plugin menu and install some onto your site. I really hope you've enjoyed this lesson, and don't forget there's plenty more basic and more advanced lessons on acbaw.com. Thank you again for watching.